Former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and leader of the opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, on Wednesday had visited the villages of MAWIONG and MAIKHULI to assess the situation that has arisen out of protests of villagers due to their dissatisfaction at the recent MOU signed between Assam and Meghalaya over the settlement of the first 6 areas of differences, and also to give ear to the grievances of local residents on the issue. It may be informed that recently most villagers under MARWET had raised a complaint against the performance of the regional committee on border dispute. Speaking to reporters after his visit, Dr. Mukul Sangma said that the state government does not have any right to hand over land to Assam as it belongs to the Syiem and the Hima. Sangma also expressed dissatisfaction at the government's action of settling the border dispute without consultation with traditional heads and consent of residents of the area.
There should not be any scope for creating that kind of unnecessary tension amongst the people, because particularly it is very easy for the administration also that areas which are along the interstate border of Meghalaya and Assam, all these areas belong to certain Himas. Okay, you have the Hima milling, then other Himas. And based on these only, all the documentation, based on whatever revenue records were available since the time of British era, all these things have been compiled and we have submitted. Based on this whole discussion is going on. So these particular areas don't fall under the areas of difference. So there should not be any attempt to further expand the scope of discussion pertaining to areas which do not fall under the areas of difference. But I am told that people have been confronted by this kind of situation where people from Assam are coming and indicating that this part belongs to Assam. This should be mutually discussed and agreed upon to create no further confusion. Yeah. Okay. This is MAWIONG. You have the demarcation of the border down there. And these are a part and parcel of your Hima military. So I think the district administration, I would suggest, should have some meeting with the localities and instill confidence. Yeah.